morning, everybody. This is David from the Trader. Marie. Let's see what this market is going to offer today. We have J. Powell talking at 2. We have the FOMC projection, interest rate decision. So all those things move. All those things move the market for sure. So let's see what is going to be the tariff talk for on J. Powell. And stay tight and nimble before 2 because normally the markets stay very quiet on expectation, everybody with their hands up, just hey, let's see what this guy is really gonna say. And just be aware of that, and that should be good. As long as we are careful. Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing great. Feeling good. Nice. We've got a beautiful day out there. So, and like you say, it could be a little bit slow this morning, but I do agree. We need to stay a little bit tight and be very aware, right? To manage our risk properly.
Yeah, definitely.
I agree. And how are you doing, Davey?
I'm doing good. Life is good. Okay.
Life is good.
All good, Marie, all good.
Okay.
A bit too busy normally, but doing good in general.
Yeah, you are very busy.
It's part of life. So, enjoying the weather. This morning I went out to drop off the girl, and it was nice, very nice.
Beautiful sun, right?
Yeah.
I'm liking this a lot.
Yeah, Blarry's already seeing good vibes this morning. Oof, that's good.
Yes.
So,
thank you, Blarry.
So if
right back at you.
Nice. So if you don't mind, let's do the analysis we do during the morning, and
absolutely.
Let's begin by SPY, of course, as is the beginning. So. I want to come back from weekly levels and then weekly and then not weekly levels, but I want to look at the weekly and the daily chart.
Well, then you go for that.
So, this week, basically, we are still trading way below. We are trading below the close, but a little. Too many consolidation around the price we are, I will say, for the daily. We can see that when we go in the intraday. And but my concern for the weekly, trading below the close of previous week. That's saying, we might not want to be going there. I know we have a long week where we try to break the high, but it didn't happen. And then we go in the daily. For the daily, we were in a clear downtrend here, and then we kind of step up. We try to go higher, and we are trying to go higher. Trying to break the trend there, I will say. And I don't know if this is gonna make any sense. I actually gonna save that for I'm gonna put the line at the end. In a shorter time frame. So. On the daily we have 2 green days, 1 red day. Today looking like a doji for now. Market haven't opened yet. Then we go in the 60-minute, and then we have those beautiful lines. I only put 2 yellow lines.
Nice support there, right?
Wow, it's very rangy, the price action, but for sure, in the 60-minute, what I want to do is maybe 30 minutes I can go to. We had this trend line here, and that's for a couple days. That's what I want to see. Basically, how are we looking inside these last 5 days of trading? And we were clearly trending up. We took a dip, and that was overnight. No, that was yesterday actually at the open. And we kind of stay behind there. So, but. I'm good, Marie. Basically, we did a little trend toward the upside. We broke it yesterday, And yeah, it's looking bearish now for me, but I'm gonna be nimble about that. And like, I would like to hear your thoughts on that, if you don't
Okay.
mind.
So now when we're looking at what's on a tape, so first of all, I would like to note, I will like to note that 2 days ago we were trending, we actually hit the 569.68. So that's quite high. That being said, since then, we definitely pulled back from that top. Interesting enough, when we're looking at yesterday, the low was at 559.11. So we're looking at a $10 range for SPY. If we're looking now on that tape, so the tape is interesting because we've got 560 on the tape. We've got a stack that starts actually at the pre-market low this morning at 561.59. So that stack at 551.69 is pretty good, actually. And then what we do have is when we're looking at a top trend or a trend at the offer, we've got 562.50 to 56, and it's really a stack. 563.47. So, and that 562.60, if we're looking at the body of the candle this morning, at between, I think it would have been about 7:30, that's pretty much where it is. So I'm gonna really highlight those because we know that usually these mornings where we've got these trends going on or this range going on during the day when we trade, they do respect it. Or you find some kind of resistance or some kind of support at these levels. So I am going to put 562. Actually, now it's 562.70. So put that there, and we've got 562.86. That was the pre-market high. So there we go. This is what I've got on the tape as analysis. If we're looking at important level, which obviously we've got the VWAP that can be at 562. There's not a really big order at 562, which usually shows up for the rejection, but right now is not present.
Sorry.
And that's about it.
Yeah, like I have very similar sizes. Like I mean, the lines I drew. I was a little bit concerned about the stacking at well, it's still there. It's stacking at around 560, 70, 560. So that's toward the downside, but the
You
biggest.
see what? A stacking there?
Yeah, like
I don't see
it's flashing. It's coming. Now
Okay,
it's
okay,
there.
now it's there.
Now it
it's
disappeared.
not. There we go. You're
So,
right.
Yeah, it's funny that it's doing that because I
Yeah.
thought like, what was I looking at? Like,
Yeah, because I'm saying you're saying what? It's not there.
But like
yeah,
that
561. Yeah. Oh,
like you see the 560 to 24 that you call out.
yeah,
260.
and it's actually there. It's at the PCL, right? So that shows up and gets out and shows up. 561. Yeah, I know what you mean.
So yeah, like the 560 to 25, 24. I don't remember precisely. Was like 90 lot. That was the biggest, and like I don't know why it's flashing. It's not there anymore. Yeah, but we're gonna have to look at that a little bit later. But yeah, definitely like 560 for me is one of the most important level right now. And I have
If
the
we're
rest
looking
of
at the
ones.
wick at 8 o'clock,
Mhm.
you see that wick, that green wick at 8 o'clock?
Mhm.
That pulls back to 560.
It's
That big volume
Yeah,
there?
like 560 27.
Okay, I've got
Yeah, but
26. Yeah,
That's yeah. Like I don't have too much. I don't put a lot of attention to that line because that's when those machines got turned on. That like yeah.
But it's curious that it corresponds to the stack.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got you now.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, Weird.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm good with that name whenever you want to pass to the next.
Sounds
But
good.
yeah, I as I say, I'm gonna try to be as nimble as possible. So, what will be your next name?
Okay, so the next one, the first one actually, it seems like the planets I've realigned. So we've got NVIDIA. So when we're looking at NVIDIA, when we're looking at the pre-market pop, that it's actually a very, very clear double top right there at 117.40. So we've got the 117.
It's amazing the correlation with the indexes. But yeah, sorry, it's just like trapping there. Yeah, like
You what?
like
You see what?
the correlation with the indexes. Like look at the 30-minute chart on Nvidia, and if you look at SPY, it's like it has. I didn't put the line on SPY, but it's very, very similar. Like I'm gonna do it as I am just talking about it. It's like that micro
Agreed.
trend down that got broken, but is it gonna be able to hold? That's the question.
And if you're looking in the 30 minutes, seems like, yeah, I don't like that. Because it seems too bullish, but yeah, no, I don't want to look at that. I'm not sure that Nvidia is that, well, yeah.
It came down from $23, $123. So, but yeah, I understand your fear there.
Yeah, I don't know that I want to look at it that bullish, but yeah, it does look actually bullish right now. What I don't see is
It's impressive. I know what you're gonna say now, but I just see the same thing. Like, keep going.
okay, no, Demon.
There is no one size that had more than 100 lot on either tape. No one, and that's so unusual.
Absolutely, exactly. So I don't see.
At 122, there is a 103 lot. But like
So, and if we combine and we look at the 115,
that, yeah.
where is the 115? Nope, not even.
No, yeah, it doesn't. It's
No.
very slow, very low tape.
Because if we're looking then though the big ones, and that's the where I don't want to see it there, but yeah, look at the one. So the if we are looking at 100, 115 is 115 is almost 100 now. So we've got the 120 that's 140. We got 122 that's 100. 123 that's 130. So it's really really high. That has the 100 lots. So. Yeah, I find that weird. I'm gonna put 115, but geez, Louise, that's far.
Yeah. So, like, I won't be too picky. So, what I mean by
Well, 115.
I won't be too
that's
picky.
support.
I'm gonna lower my basically I'm gonna be taking the sizes that are the biggest, but they are still very small, and we have to be aware of that. So basically, and I don't know if you agree with Marie, but like 17 have 64 lot, 117. It's just because at the open, I need to know what are we doing with those relatively big sizes. Like right now, for example, actually 117 right now, if you combine both tapes, is
Yeah, they're
100
100. Yeah.
and 16. So that we like it. Let's say is decent. So if we go a little bit lower, I have to do the bid first, then the ask. So lower. Nothing on Arca. On iNet, we don't see any sizes above 40. Even like 37 is at 1650, and nothing on 1650. I don't. That one won't have a blue line for me. 1650. There we go, right there. So and then let's do the ask because like hey, as I say, there is
Yeah,
nothing
that's
to do.
where I've got like the big ones. It's more the big ones is to the ask. So when you're looking at 120, like I said, 120, 122, 123, 124, these are all over 100, easy. Right?
Yeah. So 17. Do you see 1784 has like roughly like because it's close. It's both of them are close. It's,
I have nothing on 17.
yeah, it's about 60. And if you go,
I've got 0 on both tape.
okay. So 1750 have 57 online it, and has 12, 7, so
I got
it's not
0.
that much. But yeah, ay.
So right now, 117.40, I've put that as a double top this morning to see how that's going to be reacting. So that means that the 117.40 corresponds to the 562.86. So I am going to be, I like when we determine those early. So 562, no, wait, there we go. So that would be this
You're
one.
talking about SPY?
SPY. So when I'm looking at the 117.40 for,
Oh, for okay, you are. It's a correlation.
yeah, so 117.40, it corresponds to the 562.25. So I'm gonna keep that in mind
Understood.
because those are usually important.
Yes. Okay. So hey, for Nvidia,
Good.
yeah, like it's just because of how easy I'm gonna keep it like that. Nothing sophisticated there, nothing very technical yet, and we're gonna have to let it develop and see what it wants to do, because it's looking like a long, but a very choppy long. So, and the tape is not communicating a lot.
No.
So I'm gonna leave Nvidia quiet for now, but to me, let's say long and SPY the same thing. So we're gonna wait for it. So what will be next?
Hold on to your hat. We've got Hood.
Hood at 40. Extended? No. Extension is at 42.
So when we're looking at the tape, 4190 is the biggest one. I'm gonna put that there. 4190. Oh yeah. Okay. So 4190 is huge. We've got 40. That's good. 40 has 40 lot. So nothing to write home about. And besides that, it's pretty one a.
For who those sizes are relevant? The
Yeah.
40? No.
Yeah, exactly. 41 at 40. And then we've got 4190, we've got 78. So
I like those two.
Two
They are
levels.
far probably, but like this ain't gonna. It go fast. Like it go by fast. Like not too fast, but it go fast. So 40, 40 right there. There is not anything in between the read that call your attention, like 40, 50 probably.
yeah, that's the one that I'm looking at right now. So 4050 was a solid support this at the pullback. 4050 right now. I'm not used to Hood, so like when I'm looking at 40, at the 4050 for 14, that's not big for me. When I'm looking at the pullback, I rarely traded Hood, so I think you would be better candidate to analyze it.
It's not like I can tell you it is easier to trade than PLTR and Nvidia. It's just like I wouldn't give as much shots as I give to PLTR and Nvidia, because like yeah, it's weird. Like I mean, I'm not used to it, but I know it's easier because I have traded lately.
Okay.
And like it was very predictable. Even when I was wrong, it was predictable that I just got it wrong. So, but yeah, basically like you see that 4190 that you call out, it's almost a for sure that we're gonna get there.
Okay.
So like at least that have been the thing that have been happening for the last 2 weeks. So and then you have now, if you see, show up at 35. So there is a big guy 105 at 35. That's way too far. I'm pretty sure that's anticipation for this evening, this afternoon.
This afternoon.
Yeah. So but I'm gonna put it there because hey, it was there just 2 days ago. No, 3 days ago, or 4 days ago. So 35, and what we have closer toward the opposite side, 43.63. Very random price in my opinion, but 43.63, 145 lot. So, and that's it. I should be good with hood on the matter.
Okay.
Okay.
So now, what are you going to analyze? Because the 5 minutes there.
Oh yeah, the 5 minute. I'm gonna go to my PLTR. I'm sorry. Thank you for that.
That's okay.
We have a call. Oui, allô, ça va?
Very well.
Very
Thank
well.
you.
Google, it's not the time for you to. Let's hope my things doesn't crash today.
Don't say it. Don't jinx.
And what I was going to say, today, very important day, J. Powell talking at 2, interest decision, FOMC meeting, it's no prediction, it's projection. So, yeah. So, I just want to say it because it's my second in the list. You don't have it because you maybe didn't see it another day that was here, but Sonny is there. Sonny is
Oh, I'll put that there.
it's not moving right now, but it's it has there was a transaction that was big enough that it put it as the second. So we don't know if there is news or anything, but we're gonna be looking at it a little bit later. I'm gonna make sure I have some info from PLTR. Probably I won't take any trade at the open. Just the way that the tape is looking like everywhere.
Very
Unless something is very obvious, but like for example Nvidia 117 makes sense for the long, so if it's gonna be a legit long, so it's already going without us. I mean, like it's good because I don't want to take any trade right now. PLTR, the choppiness of PLTR is amazing. Like, I mean, really PLTR, like, I mean, those wicks are 5 minute wicks, and we have them up and down.
That's
like
so
there is-
ugly.
like the disagreement on those prices is or I don't know, maybe it's play out like that. So yeah, coming back to the tape, 85.45, 85.45, have a decent lot, but that's very far, my guy, very far. Let's say 86 is more attractive. That is what I consider the extension, 86. Like if you wanna practice it, like the thing we were talking together yesterday, like that 86 is an extension.
But 2 days ago,
Yeah, I know.
2 days ago,
Yeah,
88, 60.
but those days were the 2 days that SPY was very green. So like yeah, and like I mean, it can go 86 very easy. It's just like if you go 86, then I will be considering, like if you go 86 and it keep going, I will be considering the other top. Like there is a lot at 100 that is very attractive, but we are very far from there. So 90 is the other one that you are calling out. It is on the tape as well, you know. 90 has a lot of. So but I need to see something closer probably. Like I mean, at the same time, when I say that PLTR is doing what it's doing, like that.
Enjoy the market.
So, good luck, everybody. Yeah.
Okay, SPY is definitely displaying strength. At the moment, a little pullback there. We've got a huge position on Nvidia that just showed up at 118. Huge. Over 1,000. SPY is definitely going for the run.
Something's wrong here on my chart. No, my chart. No, the hotkey didn't work correctly. Pourquoi je ne sais pas.
Je ne sais pas. Okay, 118 for
Spy
SPY. 118 for NVIDIA, I mean.
Oh my goodness, PLTR. I say 86 is the extension. So
wow, the tapes have nothing.
yeah, it's like like the way that PLTR is trading is very yucky.
I took a small at 118.05. I took a short for NVIDIA. We will see.
You know what? I'm gonna be breaking even on PLTR. Just I don't like the way it's doing it, and yeah, if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. And 85.50. I know, like I don't know why it's trading the way it is trading, but so crazy. It's this must have a huge seller probably. That probably is it. And
You're saying what does a seller for PLTR?
PLTR probably have a seller. I'm not sure. I just don't know. It's the way it is trading is it's not taking off, but it's not tanking either. Like I mean, and there is heavy size coming on right there. Like I mean, there we go. Mary's ringing that bell.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
There's nothing. There's 118 on NVIDIA. There's 119 now that showed up. We've got 120 that's almost 500. SPY now is printing 563. Not holding it though. We'll see.
I'm short on PLTR.
Perfecto.
That's the thing I was doing new.
Yeah.
Oh.
Be careful with the 85. 2000 lot at the 85. Yeah, now like what are you saying? I just want to make sure that you are aware that 85 heavy, but heavy. Did you see that?
If I get stepped out,
Whew. That is very heavy. Okay, so what is
Sorry, what are you saying, my guy?
yeah, like in the first 5 candle,
Mm-hmm.
when it peaked to one of the range, I short.
Nice. So I'm out completely, and I'm gonna be joining you. Probably I'm gonna join you a little bit higher, but if you ask me why are you going short PLTR, I didn't like the way what the heck? I didn't like the way the 85 print, because with that type of sizes there, and it didn't print. It's like it doesn't matter how much you buy, it's unlikely to work. So like, are you kidding me? like 2,000 lot and you didn't move a penny on it. So I shorted with you, even heavier now. So probably I have and let's just ring that bell.
That shit's working. Cool.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
My stop loss was a bit too wide because you remember yesterday I missed the thing.
Yeah.
So now what I did, because yesterday I had the entry order and the stop loss set up.
Mm-hmm.
And what I did today, it was saying to TradingView, follow the bid. I had already placed my stop loss, and when it touched my range, I sell. But it was so, I think the spread was big, so the bid was like 6 cents lower than what the price was.
Okay.
So it got way more.
Very nice.
SPY is interacting with both the VWAP as well as the 50 EMA. There seems to be something
Hey,
right
now
there
this
happening.
guy is looking a little bit distant. I have 85.04 on my stop loss. I have a little risk on the trade, but I'm gonna keep it there because I don't want to see it printing 85. But I know it can print 85 again, so I want to see it losing the trend for good. If SPY is looking that bad, so let's see.
Not sure if SPY.
Because I add everything back, like anything I remove on that partial, I add it back, and I say I wanna add earlier because I don't have to be 10:30 and look at where my price is. Yeah, you know, it's that. So, but you need to lose that, like that 84.22, which was my target, like my reason to go in when I went in before. Now is my reason to go out if he holds it for too much.
So SPY now seems to have a strong reaction to the 50 EMA.
Oof. Yeah. That 62.27. 24. 25. I don't know. You're out?
No, but until TR is gonna be, I took partial like near the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Now the VWAP is gonna be important.
Nice.
It's holding.
Like my price is not the best, but because as I say, I add everything back. But I say that the 84, I was considering 84 the extension. It wicked the 85 something, and like that was okay-ish. But it didn't really get to the 86. So my hope is that it won't get there, but we have to be careful. Like today is a really important day, so we really don't know what is going to happen. So out this way.
I have my stop loss in the profit, like in almost 1 hour profit.
Nice.
If they break too much of the VWAP, I'm out.
So my stop loss is 85.04, so it's right on top of this. Well, more than on top of this. I am expecting it to go out again of this line. Then not being able to hold, but like it may test the triangle yet, because the price is still compressing.
Because I have one range that ends at 84.77.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm saying if it breaks that, I'm out.
Perfect.
My stop loss is 84.83.
Understood, my guy. Understood.
But those type of move really work. Like
Yeah, they have been reliable.
They
I
have
tested a lot of days. TLTR always does that, like up or down at the open.
Mm-hmm.
It goes the other way.
What are you trading?
right now NVIDIA.
Nvidia. Short. Nvidia short.
Nvidia short.
Because he's losing the shit of it. So it's like, it's going down to hell.
But I got out. Too tight to the stop loss.
Oof, Spidey, that thing there. Spidey, my favorite setup. I gonna give it more time because it's still no 45, 9:45. But this is like, and of course I could be seeing whatever I want to see because your brain is like that. Our brains are like that. But basically, you see that the 62.27, 24. Marie and I were looking at the tape, and that was the biggest guy there. So if you break through, and probably it will, if you break through, this is not gonna be good. So PLTR is doing something I kind of don't like, but we have to be patient with that trade. I mean, like this is the day today of today because of the news that we are expecting or waiting for. We really have to be patient. So.
Yeah, like it's strange because of the news. I think the VIX dropped. So yesterday was low. Today it's lower. It's at 21.60.
Is it?
Yeah. Last week it was 29. The peak.
So now we've got SPY that's interacting with.
Ooh. Right.
I have trouble with my keys.
We'll have to work on that.
Yeah.
I know one set of hotkeys of mine are not working.
Yep.
So, but it's okay. We're gonna MacGyver something. Zach, are you still on PLTR?
Yep. Pretty good trade.
Yeah.
At 83.60, I'm gonna take or everything or half again.
Yeah, that makes sense. Well, the tape is weak as I don't know what to call it, but like nobody's buying that crap out of there.
Weak as balls.
Weak as what?
As balls.
Okay.
That's funny.
So, did you came back from the joke of yesterday?
Oh, I love it. To be honest, I love it. It's
My girlfriend heard me and she was like, I
hey, it's okay. Once in a while.
yeah.
Why do you stay in that mood? In that mode? Oh, I didn't change apparently.
So right now SPY is going down, the return is going up.
Under pressure. Boom, 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 boom. Well, yeah, I don't know if you were able to survive that, but
It got me out.
and you didn't take partial.
No, I think I took one. It got me out with almost 1 hour. It's not that bad.
What was that? Did you guys saw that?
Yup. Like either my system is slow, or that pop was just like a how do we say, an appearance?
No, it makes no sense. Don't go there. Okay, got me out. I'm not buying that one, you know? I mean, like, where are you, PLTR? Why I can see PLTR here? Here we go. Doom, 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 doom.
So Spy making a double top right there.
I
Wow.
I reshorted at the same price. It's like,
Okay.
are you kidding me? Like, bamboozle your mom?
Bamboozle your room.
Oh yeah, like that. That's so nasty. It's Of course, I can take another loss, but that should not work.
Okay, Spy is just freaking going berserker. Por quê?
I checked, there's no news to maybe Donald Trump talked or tweeted.
Next time it happens, I'm gonna be more disciplined. Like this time, I did good, but I can do better with that. It's are you kidding me? Or is that the type of day we're gonna have?
Yeah, because
know?
if that's the type of guy, I'm gonna be sitting on my hands.
Mm.
Yep.
No, my was because of your price.
Mm-hmm. Maybe I'm going to actually shut my hotkeys, but we'll see. I'll finish this trade, but because the hotkeys I've got difficulty with. Okay, so Spy now is going berserker. Absolutely berserker. Made a higher high by a lot.
But well, it's okay. Yeah, I will shut up for a little bit.
What?
Exactly.
Who's saying exactly? Who's talking to you? Spy?
Tesla, INTC, NVDA, Spy 2, but it's like why? Like, well, why? Because they make money on that, I know, but That's why I say bamboozle your mom. And I just retook my trade. But if they keep pushing, guys, today might be a big day, you know? You remember at what time this happened? Normally?
10:30.
10:30,
I
10:50.
was gonna say 10.
And my question there, if I am wrong, everything is gonna be so green and I'm gonna be probably red because I am not believing it. But and I'm gonna be very open-minded to that. But what I mean is like that happening at this time, like that push, not in PLTR, like because it happened in SPY, it happened everywhere. Fed talking days are normally very choppy, we know that. But at least before they grab the microphone and during. But if this move doesn't sustain itself, the liquidation that might be behind might be a little bit bigger than the previous day, and we know that that's gonna be true after J. Paul talk. But I don't know. I mean, like, hey, like, who are you trying to scare like that? You know? I mean, of course, like, not scaring anybody. Just shake up whoever was at the top, shake up whoever is at the bottom, and then let's take our size. And look at Tesla, guys. Like, just look at Tesla. Like, this thing is going to crap. I mean, like, are you kidding me? And, like, of course, why I have Tesla as a referendum, because, like, Tesla it has been weaker. So if there is weakness out there, like, Tesla normally will sell a little bit ahead compared to, but like INTC, the same. INTC, I just have it because of Marie yesterday, but
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. SPY
Yeah.
made a higher high.
yeah, I am seeing SPY. SPY is flying along.
Like SPY is flying from what? Tesla is thinking, Nvidia is not moving.
Nvidia's popping.
Yes,
I'm
Nvidia
just
now,
not zooming.
but
But not that much, you know.
yeah, exactly. Like, it's still below 1750. Like 1750 for me is the line on the sun on
Correct.
NVDA. No, that's 1784. Sorry, it's just the 50 was okay too. But so we have to ask, like, is this making sense? And of course, a smart and disciplined trader, when things are not making sense, step out. Is David doing that? No, really, but I already have the trade, so if he get me out, it's okay. I'm gonna be looking for something else. I'm waiting for probably an opportunity.
That's crazy. SPY is freaking going to, what the heck? That's where it's going. It's to what the heck.
So because PLTR is under control, even if I take a loss, I don't really have to look at that trade right now. And probably I should be, but like, it should be just going out. But let's take a look at SPY, because that's the one that is flying. What, did we have peace in Ukraine and things like that? Probably. So
Well, there is a ceasefire, yes.
yeah, but then we started like,
But
we broke it in the
ceasefire
other
is
side.
what? Yeah, ceasefire is what for?
You know what? I don't know why, but I have a big level at 566.23. I don't remember right now. I remember putting it there. I don't remember from where, if it was tape related or chart related.
Chart related.
It was chart related. Okay, so let's see. Zach, are you joining the short for the PLTR, or it makes no sense to you?
I would, but I need a good price.
Hey. Why do I have that there? Let's see. Daily. Okay, in the daily,
564. Come on.
for now it's still an inside day for a SPY. So until we go to 565.25. Boom, 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 boom. Yo. Ay, papi. Are you kidding me?
Look at the RSI on SPY.
What time frame?
2.
We are approaching the open from yesterday very soon on SPY. So Tesla 229 right now. Nvidia above 117 for good. So now printing 17 and down. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna be coming back to look at SPY a little bit later. That maneuver. That's how you say maneuver.
A maneuver.
A maneuver. That maneuver, I didn't see it coming. I have to say that. So I'm gonna be quiet. I mean, if PLTR work, it work. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be sitting beside, like, very quiet.
Mm-hmm.
So Hood, look at Hood, Marie. Look at that 41.91. Hood is a short right now. For anybody that will be looking for.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
And you don't have to take a lot of risk, because if you trade above 42, it's gonna go to 43 something. I have the level somewhere else there at 43. It's gonna go to 43.64 if ever I trade above
So
42.
would you say is a short?
Yeah, it is a short base in the overall market. But what I am saying, by if you trade above 42, you don't let it go too far from 42. Like, I mean, if you get, like, let's say something like 41.75, 41.80, yeah, if he goes to 42, you can just step out. But you don't, like, in Hood, like, it normally will do that push back up, make a higher high, and then work. That was what it did the other days. Ooh la la. And we know that was not a fat finger, you know?
That was what?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm still in the move. So, like,
You
what?
say a fat finger?
Yeah, like if what happened on SPY here, like, let's say this candle here, like if you see that happen, is in a single stock, you can say, oh, fat finger maybe. Like, if it shouldn't happen, if you consider that it shouldn't happen, and it happened, because the tape doesn't say that, blah blah blah, like, but the fact that it's in the index is like, there is no way that was a fat finger. That's a maneuver. I feel retarded when I say that.
You feel retarded?
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
Look at that. Check the NVIDIA tape.
BDA.
All these, how do we say? The 422, the 122, the 123, the 120 of look at the 125 on NVIDIA.
Yeah, and the tape is very crowded. Nvidia is looking low,
Very, very hot.
but you can ask yourself
I'm gonna see at
how
170.
far they are, and they are right there, so that's not good normally for the long. The fact that they are right there, like look how they disappear now. Oh, now it's gonna tank. Are they coming back? No, they are not coming back. Okay, one come back. One of them came back. Okay.
SPY, higher high.
Hey.
Did you see SPY? Higher high.
I'm looking at it. They have it here. It's like on the side. It's like that's why I'm laughing. It's like, oof. So you see Hood now, 41.90.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can.
I got for
in PLDR.
no good.
Hood, nice. So I'm gonna take some short too in Hood.
Check SPY out. It's still pushing.
What price do you got for Hood?
$41.90.
We got exactly the same price.
My guy.
See if it's
Now I go 42, but let's see.
SPY, pushing through, higher high. What did we say that we had as a top for SPY?
I have it's very far from now. The top I have on SPY. I'd be there right now. Just SPY. I think it's 566. 566.24.
Yeah, we still need to fix that U. The U and the D. took one in the drive. Spy making a higher high. Aye, aye, aye.
I don't know what we are doing.
I got out of hood.
In the sim and in the.
Ah, okay. Yeah, gotcha.
You got out of hood?
Yeah. I know the move's coming, but I don't know how it will go.
Spy still making a higher high. Wow. Spy going to the 565. Stack at 565.50. Holy
Okay, I'm out of food too.
crap.
I let it go too far probably.
Okay, so Spy is going to be approaching the
Vlad is
stack.
telling me that she cannot see the position. Like, probably she's looking at another day. Because I have had position open for the last.
Yesterday we didn't see it.
Yeah, but yesterday was because I didn't have that window, like everything closed. But, and yeah. But today they are there, right? Yeah, they are there.
Yeah, they are.
Let me see, I think. Cool. Yeah, you see hood, we get us out. It's like it was doing something very predictable where I went early on the trade a couple times.
Mm-hmm.
It's so weird because she sent me a picture of the live and she don't see the positions. Yeah, okay. Zach, can you say that thing that you say, like, womans?
Woman.
I like it.
Really?
I didn't say anything, you know?
Oh, you're in trouble.
That is funny. I don't know who's rubbing off on who between you two, but there's a rubbing happening.
we have to help each other, you know?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hood still climbing up. Like now, Hood I will be looking long probably, but not at any price. I will be very picky with whatever price I pick because volatility there is high. Actually, like IBIT should be strong today too. Yeah, exactly. IBIT is very strong. So yeah, the short idea in Hood is very tied to Bitcoin. J'ai parlé français avec mon ami. Vladdy say like, oh, it was Zach who say it, but Don't worry, I get home early today. You funny. Eh?
Good job, Larry.
I close the chat. I just don't want to see whatever.
Are you in trouble, my guy?
Do you have a room beside your garage or something like that?
I have a
Where you
room
have the
empty
little
because
key?
I'm not there. My house.
No, I'm okay, man. I'm a dog. You just give me where you had the little kitty before. You remember?
Yeah.
I'm waterproof.
Okay, I'll set you up. The other day, one of my friends bought the XRP,
XRP.
the crypto thing.
Oh yeah, like the crypto that everybody's saying that is gonna go to 2000 whatever.
He lost 34% in like 3 days. 4 days.
Oh yeah.
Like now, today it's up 12. But like it's a roller coaster. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's,
Like it's his first investment, and he invests in that.
what happens is that in the media it have been pushed a lot. Like I mean,
I thought,
I think Christine asked me like because she said that she saw it in TikTok.
yeah,
And,
Here we go. Money talk.
he told me.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
but yeah, I don't know. I think one of the problems that's going on with cryptocurrency right now, and it's a problem, but it's a good thing in the long term, is that it's too much into the politicians' ring. Like I mean, they are playing a little bit too much with that. So when that happens, I prefer to step out, let them play, and then you decide.
That's a good.
Yeah, like I bid in the price that it was interesting, like 40 something. But I
Yeah.
didn't enter it. It's
Like I think between this United States and MicroStrategy, the company, I think I think they have like 1%, about 1% to 2% of the total Bitcoin that exists in the world. So
Oh, really?
yeah, that's quite a lot.
that's too much.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know if the state have like
Shorts are in play.
250,000 Bitcoin. They say they have.
Oh, really?
And now China, I think. Oh my God! Like what is going on? Why am I so sleepy? China is going to have a
Wonder
plan to
why.
incorporate more too, or to have some because apparently they don't have.
Some people think it's a safe of value. I think it's called, like gold, store of value. But like it really reacts like the tech stuff. So
Yeah.
not that much of a. Like Bitcoin can lose a shit ton and just with the news. So.
Mm-hmm.
I think there is a lot of value, but
It's not like gold.
I think it will be.
Mm.
Because like as long as it keep being safe, because it is safe. Like I mean, but yeah, it's more complex because, for example, how will you convince people that Bitcoin is as valuable as gold
Yeah, when people don't have any.
when people like not even if they have any? Like I mean, like it's very like digital thing, but like why in the long term is a very valuable thing because if we use it as a currency and it's the only currency for now that is deflationary, like there is a amount of paper money that get lost during the time, like for different reasons. There is a amount of Bitcoin that get lost as well. So, and that's because people lose their wallets, all those things that we know that happen. So because that happened, like it's still even more deflationary. So if we have the gold, yes, it's a precious metal, but at the same time, what we have is a agreement that gold is the most valuable, or one of the most valuable. I don't know if it is the most valuable, but the value of it is also coming from an agreement. Imagine that company is they don't need gold anymore. Like let's say at any point, like what, because people who use it for luxury is gonna be that valuable. Like so. Like what I'm saying, basically, like gold, we know we have a lot of gold, and they keep finding more, and there is a specific amount of demand for gold that is not that high compared to the amount we have. So, like I don't know who I hear saying that, but we are unlikely to run out of shortage of gold, but
Well, they need to find the one that they lost.
yeah. Yeah, the one that was for the treasury. Was like which country was that one?
U.S.
It was U.S. But did
Fort
they say they
Knox.
lost it?
Fort Knox. Well, Trump claims that Fort Knox is empty.
Yeah, we have to they have to be checked if it's true or not, because from long ago already, I think from the '94, the dollar is not back up with gold, and non-currency is back up with the gold. So like people are just trusting their words. So, but yeah, just based on that, if you find that, if you manage that to get enough people into Bitcoin, and we all agree with that, of using and we get to the point that Bitcoin is really used as a daily basis thing, like the value of that is gonna go to prices that are I wouldn't be able to calculate, but like nobody will be able to calculate precisely, but it's very interesting because when we run out of money or when we need more money, we just print it. But at some point, and we're gonna get there, you won't be able to print more Bitcoin.
What the hell? No, that's not what I
Yeah,
meant.
but
It was
don't you
die.
think the government will let that slide?
I don't understand your question, but if you can slide.
Like- Like inflation is good, no? A currency that inflates. Good? To the economy? Otherwise, they wouldn't.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's tied to the nature of the economy or how the economy works for now because of the currencies. Like to be honest, I don't know. Like I know that for our actual system, yes, inflation a minimum amount of inflation is good, but I don't know if that is intrinsically tied to the system. Like I mean, because we are using currency that get lost, that get like have those big fluctuations and all those things. Like I don't know if that condition is just tied to the nature of the system.
But like, if the system doesn't change, that means everybody using Bitcoin that is not inflating, not good. Like,
That would be interesting. As I say, I don't know. Like it's a good question, I guess. It sounds like to me it's a very good question, but I don't know. It's
and also like, Bitcoin was made to be to not go through banks, right?
yeah.
Like was made to be just
But I don't know with who I was talking. Like
Absolutely.
they cannot control it. That's an illusion that people really believe. Like I mean, like politicians, the public sector believe that they can control Bitcoin. Nobody can control Bitcoin. That's not true. Like the reason why that's not true is because you don't need to have, like I mean, legal disclaimer here. Like I am not suggesting anybody to do that, but for you to possess Bitcoin or to transact Bitcoin, you don't have to do it through like for the action to happen. I'm not saying to not follow any rule. Like I mean, we live in countries and we have a agreement and we have to follow the law. But let's say if you are not following the law and you are not using regulated platforms, you can have a wallet. There are so many ways that you have a wallet that meet the protocol, and this wallet is not gonna be controlled by, like, at some point people are gonna be having their own wallet that is it doesn't have anything to see with any regulated institution, just because of the nature of Bitcoin. So, oh yeah, we are controlling it. Yeah, what they are telling you, like, and all, like, including myself, what we are doing is that if you have Bitcoin in Coinbase, you are reporting your taxes and things like that. But we use Coinbase, and Coinbase go and report to their, hey, they did transaction. But that is not true that if I do that transaction from a physical wallet from my computer, that they will be able to know where that went.
Yeah, but my question is, are they gonna let that slide? Not controlling people, not controlling tax, not controlling fraud.
That no, they will try. They will try their best, and they will accomplish a lot. But I don't know to which point.
What I mean is, like, they won't make it. They will try to destroy it if it doesn't work. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but like, then, well, that's a good word there. Like, how would you destroy Bitcoin? Tell me that.
I would, like,
Because each transaction have the whole map of, like, I mean, like, if it doesn't, like, it's like a, how you call those things, it's like the thing that Ella does, puzzles, like
I see. Puzzle?
yeah. So like, if you try to put a piece that doesn't fit,
Lego.
like, it's not Lego.
Yeah, I know, but
with
you
the
can
paint
use-
things that's like rompecabezas. How do you say that in English? I think it's
Larry.
puzzles.
Yeah, puzzles.
It's a picture that is broken in pieces and you put.
Oh
together.
yeah, it's a
So
puzzle.
it's a puzzle. Yeah. So, like, basically, if you try, like, that's why it's so secure, and this comes to the security part. Like, you can create a fake amount of Bitcoins that you may have, like, physically in your local wallet. But then when you try to match it with the actual code, it will compare it to all the freaking transactions that have been happening there, and it will say this part doesn't fit here. It doesn't go there. So, like, and that's why I say, like, I mean, I think it already went too far that it will be unbreakable, and that's why they are just adopting it.
You think so?
So it's a very interesting conversation. That, like, but like, I have a friend that, well, the guy that come normally,
Thank you.
yeah, and he knows way more than me about Bitcoin and how all those things works, and he can give us, like, pretty much very valuable information. But yeah, I don't think they will be able to do much. So
Okay, short sword might be in play.
well, thank you for the distraction, because that's just an opportunity for me to take some hours on PLTR.
Here we go.
I forgot about that trade, and we were
Here
discussing.
comes the money, 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 money.
Yalla, yalla.
look how strong Spy is still doing.
Right here. Not that loose more than that. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
Yeah, Spice, like, yesterday he did that at the bottom. I have a very small tray on Tesla, and I will try to hold that for the day. That's why it's like, as I say, very small. And yeah, I think Tesla took 220 today. Come on, my guy.
Well, just imagine if Spy like tanked now.
Why are you saying it that way, my guy? Do you have to say it that way?
Well, wait.
I went long. I printed very nicely and long, but now I'm flipping short right there.
Very nice. Very nice.
So I am going to have to take.
Yeah,
a
the way
break,
you
but-
say it sounds like
No, no, no.
it's like if you don't believe that it's gonna tank, but like we have one more dollar to go higher, and then things are gonna get a little bit more colorful. So, but if we tank from there, it's also gonna be big tank. So like it's like the way you say it sounds like, oh, I don't think it's gonna go down.
It could
But
go
it's,
down a dollar.
You could go out, yeah, like well,
No, but what I mean is like it's so strong and everything's so weak. Once Spy is gonna tank, everything is gonna tank with it.
yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
like oy, oy, oy.
Continue talking, Zach. Continue talking. Influence.
I was trading
Influence our
in
grain
auto.
of sand.
Oh my goodness.
Because I've been trying to reset.
Back. Okay. Zach, you still have your shirt, right?
No, I didn't take it.
Okay.
Your prediction's coming true, Zach.
Yeah. I don't want to influence you too much because I think
I
you.
do need to take a little
Okay,
break.
so we're gonna take a little break. Zach, you.
You mean the first short or? Because I should have got the other short with you because it was on my range. It's just I wasn't quick enough. The problem is the move needs to be way bigger for you to have a 2-to-1. Mhm. 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 Yeah, I know what you mean. Today, mhm. Yeah, I know what you mean. Like today, yeah, like today I got the good price almost, like a bit lower for the short. I missed the take profit. I took profit way too high. Then I let it go up. Then when it went up at my range again, I didn't short. And then but I missed it, but it should have been a range there that he hit. But I know the move is not normal. But I didn't have the range. So I should have taken profit if I had it.
You see how I count?
Yeah, upside down.
Fucked up my brain.
I know.
I almost got into IBIT because of that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now, like you see, Ivan, like when we were talking, it was putting this trend up. We talk a lot after, and then like now it's looking like a head and shoulder, a little bit like no, not necessarily, but what about the 5 minute? That's heavy there. That's very heavy selling in there. So what is the name? Hood. As we say, hood. Yeah, hood. Yeah, it's okay. Yo lo le va a llover y eso es lo que le gusta.
Are you gonna cross it this time? Jeez Louise, it took me long enough.
If that's your work on the February manifest, it's $2 on hood.
Hmm?
Like if the short manifest on hood is like about $2, but like, and it's doing that weird thing there. I mean, the name kind of have been on its own.
So SPY may be now testing the VWAP. We will see. It's got momentum.
Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar. Do you guys have periods of your life where you feel that you are aging like faster? than normal?
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Like I know, like
And some that
things like
where
go.
right now where like for me I'm in a period that I feel I'm regenerating,
Mm-hmm.
but
So it goes both ways.
correct.
Okay.
I'm coming out of a period of extreme quick aging.
Okay.
I guess you too.
Yeah, man. I mean, like, it's funny. It's just like, I was thinking about that the other day because, yeah, probably I am aging like faster now, but like, winters are not good for me. I mean, you know, like,
I don't think it's only you.
I think I go in hibernation like the birds.
I think you and your entire family.
Yeah, it's no workouts, no exercise, no going out. It's not good, not good as I say. But
Hmm.
you're gonna work on that.
Me, it was because of the cold.
No, that thing that got us is like that was horrible.
Hmm.
Boy, I still have remaining things from that. It will be very interesting to see if Tesla is gonna put a lower low, because I don't see why it wouldn't put a lower low, but maybe because of the type of day it is. But like what I'm saying, when we look at Tesla, very rangy here. So, or this is a very good long, or this is gonna break the low and really start trending a little bit.
Okay. Super flip.
Yeah, super what?
That was a super flip.
Yeah, I was going to talk about Nvidia. I didn't even know if you had Nvidia or not. Like, you see that tape? It looks like longish. There is a strong disagreement between sellers and buyers right now on NVDA. So the way that SPY is behaving, I will be favoring the short, especially because it's at the top. So and we are talking about NVDA here, and that 17.
They
like,
show up and leave, show up and leave, show up and leave. We've got so many grain of sand right now on NVIDIA, it's mental.
So yeah, very crazy.
They show up, they leave. Now they're there. They're gonna leave.
I don't necessarily believe that today is a day to leave positions open for the rest of the day.
Agreed, especially with two.
Yeah, especially with that talking at 2. But as we see, like let's say right now things are very like with the exception of food that is trying to make a higher high, which is crazy. But what I'm saying, like PLTR really trapping that 17, like NVDA, sorry. PLTR, we got flushy, but we are back to the VWAP. So, and what else? Tesla, the same. We went down, went up. We are not making lower lows for now. And yeah, what else we have? We have INTC, which is trending down like hell. Hood. SMCI. Looking better, but very choppy. What about Baba? Baba was flying the other day. Last time I looked at, and
Low volume on Baba.
Up a bit, yeah.
yeah.
Baidu is down.
Yeah, I was going to check Baidu. It's like,
You two are so sync.
well, I know he's a holder in Baidu, but Yeah, it's
Okay.
no, I will be with you there if I talk about that ahead, but
Let's go. Spies finally
like, it's
starting
like-
to lose some strength. We
to me
found
this
some
makes
sellers.
sense. What you have in there makes sense. That's what I'm saying.
We've got
90
some
is
sellers.
90, 50.
What is your entry?
90, 50.
Okay, now he's just flexing. Yeah, he got a weekly EMA. 50
Yeah,
EMA.
he's just flexing.
Oh yeah, I heard it. No, it's good. I just
Me gusta.
it's just a little bit of revenge. He used to say that when he was working with me.
So I'm gonna go. I have homework to do.
Okay.
But before I go,
Yes.
here's
I
the
told-
bad joke of the day.
Yay!
Sponsored to you by the new trader.
Ooh la la.
So, what's the difference between a Kia and a golf ball?
A Kia and a golf ball. No, I don't know.
I cannot talk about that, because he's sitting beside me.
Yeah, he's far enough that I can't hit him.
So,
He's three
you can drive a golf ball. You can drive a golf ball more than 200 yards. I fuck it up.
Still landed. I'll get you when I see you.
But I don't know. I don't know if you hear him, but like he took a sip of water before.
He said, uh-oh.
The worst part is the joke is with a Fiat. But
Oh, thank you. Oh. That's going to be a double hit.
Man, you are a good team player,
I love it. Yes,
I like
definitely. We love having you.
You say the things I cannot say by the right. Nobody can punch you. I didn't say it,
Yeah, but now you're agreeing fully, so yeah, that's worth a smack.
I'll take care, guys.
Oh, you too.
Thank you.
I will be there on Friday.
Okay.
See you
Friday we don't trade.
Friday, I'm gonna be off Friday of everything. I even have a vacation day for Friday. I have to do some things. And
Alright.
yeah.
Day
Monday,
off on
next Monday.
Friday. Next week? Okay. Have a lovely weekend.
You too, guys.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, God.
That
He's
was
so
good.
funny.
That was so good.
Yeah. I don't go too much there because you're still here beside me. Wow. He's so funny. Okay, so now Spy is interacting. Oof. So this is an important level. So if it loses that level, it's a Chechen for the short. So it's interacting with the 50 EMA. It's interacting with the view overnight VWAP, interacting with the VWAP. So if it loses that, shorts are going to be.
I don't know if you know, but I have a short like from the opening pretty much.
You were able to hold?
I am holding the thing, and I add to that tray actually. Like, it's not the same tray. I think maybe I did retook it, but it's the same ticket. So
Me gusta.
and Tesla, I'm gonna hold it to see if it goes to 222. I say, and yeah, let's see.
I like.
Like, to be honest, when we talk about Kia or Hyundai, like, we have to say they have been getting better by a lot.
Nice save.
A lot. And, like, I understand a lot of the history behind, because, for example, is the Hyundai, they came to compete with, they came with the intention of competing with Toyota. It was specifically Toyota, but also Honda. And one of the big problems that they faced when they came to the market very long ago, I don't
Pulling
remember
through.
the year, is that they were having quality vehicles out there and because of but they were very small companies, so they were times were
Expanded
different there.
very quickly.
Yeah, and like so but they got crushed by the competition. So
Mhm.
like I mean, so they understood that their car was like they had to drop that quality by a lot. So and like they came very quiet to the market. But like I mean, at first like it was intentionally what I'm saying. Like I mean, they came with cars that were not that attractive. Little by little, like they want to not be noticed at the beginning, and little by little they took over. And like I find this a brilliant plan, but there was a time where Hyundai's and Kias, the quality was very sketchy.
Oof, I agree.
It's just you know, I interacted a lot with them at that point. Like I had a neighbor that had a Hyundai that he's like, oof, I'm sorry for you.
I enjoy my vehicle.
Yeah, your car is fun. It's and it's powerful too.
Hmm. Very powerful. You got a powerful engine.
And the engine is unkillable, so like. But your car is recent. Like I mean, that's what I say. Like you have like once after they got the quality adjustment.
Is that the smoky, Davy?
I'm trying to find out if Spy is gonna be holding that VWAP as it is for now.
Is that a smoky though?
But
I believe it's a smoky.
in the market, sometimes it's good to remember. Sometimes it's bad to remember. I mean, like.
It could kill us. Yeah, I know what you mean.
So what I am remembering here is the push up we have. That push to me was very I'm gonna say it this way, but there is no technicality behind that. Very artificial. Like I mean, this push for me here was I find
It's a $4 push.
we don't have news plugged in our ears, so we kind of don't know if something really happened. If something really happened, like our bad in there that we are not aware. But if this was not news basis, like news base, I think the tanking is gonna be big. So, but like unfortunately, I don't know due to what we bounced the way we bounced. If it was just because of the participation here, well, we're gonna be coming back to there. And that was very early, especially the time that it happened. Like I mean, I get it. If it happened like a little bit later, like the other days, but even the other days, what you have after that liquidity came in that aggressive. The shorts I was having, I didn't even have to liquidate them because yes, they move a lot, like close to my entry, or maybe against me even in some cases, but like they never hit my stop loss and they just keep going even lower. So if we have that liquidity coming up that early, I took the trade after the liquidity, so I should be good. So I don't know why I will be trying to liquidate those trades right now. But yeah, Nvidia is Spy gonna hold that VWAP? Like look how clean it bounced. Like that trend line, I guess I had it in the 1 minute. Yeah, it's a trend line from the 1 minute. It bounced by the penny.
Yeah.
But how attractive is this selling that is going on here for me? Not much. And we went, how high we went? We went 565.08. And this is 565.38. Only 62 cents from the price I think we're gonna be reversing.
On, off.
Yeah.
On,
Yeah.
off.
It's-
Literally on, off. My beach. Okay. So, is it going to retest the VWAP? If it retests the VWAP, my guess is it's going to pull through. We'll see. It seems like it could have been a smoky. Going through with conviction, making a lower low for SPY. So SPY's making a lower low. It did not fill that candle. It's a wick at the moment. Chichenas.
I have water, but it's doing nothing.
It's not doing anything.
Nope.
I hope you sleep this weekend.
I will take that seriously very soon.
Well, SPY, what you gonna do?
When I go for you.
Okay, still at the VWAP. So it could be a rangy day. What's encouraging is the RSI is definitely dropping. And there we go. No. After that drop, you're not making a bigger candle. No. After that drop, you're not allowed to make a bigger candle. No.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. No candle for you. No green candle for you. Not allowed. Oh man, I'm thinking about his bad joke.
His bad joke about the Fiat Kia. Yeah.
Oh jeez. And he put it on a Kia for me. Oh, that was funny. Obviously he's going to the Hull University, or is he going to Ottawa?
He's already at the university.
Yeah, I know, but which one? I forgot to ask him.
Oh, that's why he's in Quebec. He's going to. He's at. I don't know how it's called the university he's right now. I know he told me, but I forgot. But it's in Quebec.
Oh, Quebec City.
Yeah, it's in Quebec City. That's why we don't see him during. Like we only. I only see him during summer and during Christmas. But I think he's coming back there during summer for Gatineau. Like, I mean, it's gonna be a longer break because the Christmas one is on. And I see it in March break. But yeah.
Okay. So SPY now has lost the VWAP.
Oh no. Oh no. By next week, I'm gonna try to and I said I was going to get rid of that penguin. And
But you did.
I did, yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So, yeah, by next week, what I say I was
You
gonna,
need sleep. You
by
need
next
sleep.
week, what I'm gonna do is like I have those hotkeys. The like it's an order to trigger another order.
Okay. Oh
And,
yeah, you were talking that. You've been talking about that.
Yeah, like I have them already. It's just
Okay.
the sizes they have, I kind of don't like it. But yeah, like I'm gonna adjust them to whatever I feel comfortable. And the idea is to be able to be more aggressive with certain trades.
Okay.
So, because yeah, like sometimes we get distracted and we're talking, and then It might move a little bit more than what we want, but with those hotkeys, there is no way that will happen.
Okay. Really weak volume, eh, Davey?
Yeah, it's yeah, it's a typical.
So Spy is retesting the
Fair day.
VWAP.
I'll be back. I need a little break. All right, we are back.
Come on, Grace. Disappear.
Disappear. That's a good way to put in there.
Disappear. Say bye-bye la.
Bye bye, la.
What did you eat?
I ate a yogurt.
Oh, good job.
What else did I eat? And like a cracker, but like it's filled up with something.
Cheese or peanut butter?
No, it's I add a little bit to PLTR. So it's like fill up with like jelly, like raspberry or apple jelly.
Ah, okay.
Hmm.
Look at Spy.
Hey. Second shot should be weaker than first shot, so that should be okay.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Dumbo.
Mm-hmm. Dumbo can be aggressive sometimes.
You mean every morning? When you get here? Like a little bit intense.
No.
Interesting market conditions for sure.
Very.
I am trying to not jump too much here and there on trades, just because like like you see Nvidia, like
It's not easy.
you go to 117, then 117.50, and then it flush all the way down to 116.50. So it's like it's a day that you can get chopped very easy. So
Yup.
patience is always important, but some days more than others.
Incroyable. Look at that bush.
Mm-hmm.
So let's look at spy. And do we have a lot of them that are at the tops? A lot of stocks. Because we didn't have any news, correct?
Not yet. PLTI is gonna get me out probably. Very tempted to.
Okay, I want to look at SPY because right now it seems like the 566 is a possibility for SPY. And if that's the case, which I find a little crazy. What are you trading, Divi?
Right now, I only have Tesla and trying to get PLTR again, but like I don't feel too correct about it. It's just one of those things that
Now, did you say you had trouble with your hotkeys?
there are two that are not working. Yeah,
Okay.
I kind of don't use them that much. It's just press them and didn't see them working good, no. And yeah.
Two o'clock.
Yeah, and it's okay.
What is Tesla doing?
Tesla. The Tesla
Okay,
is
going sideways.
yeah, doing the crazy move, and I'm gonna step out of PLTR one more time apparently. So coming back to Tesla, as you asked me, Tesla tried to
No,
go
yeah, I
already.
saw it there, and I said, oh.
Yeah, kind of a triple top there,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
I say I don't feel too correct about those trades, and sometimes we do the opposite. But like, let's say, because lately I have been having a lot of changes in my style of trading. Something that I want to memorize next time is, man, when it's Fed day, especially because you're not willing to leave any position open, take your partials and walk away.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
Because today I didn't took as much partials because maybe I didn't believe on it or whichever reason, and it seems to not be the right thing to do. So but yeah, we're gonna work on that for sure.
Wow. Okay, the beach is back.
Yeah, like, did you see a spy?
Right? Retesting VWAP.
Like, what is PLTR? PLTR. Yeah, like, he got me out. And,
Spies at the VWAP. So spy popping through again.
boom, boom, boom.
Is
boom,
there
boom.
anything on reversal?
Look at PLTR. Look at everything, basically. But like,
Look at PLTR.
The good thing is I'm being very patient with PLTR. Like, I mean, I won't take any trade for now. I'm gonna wait for it to really, like, you remember yesterday, like, yesterday was,
Yes, going in and.
so, are you trading anything?
Nope. No, no, no. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Y olore va a llover.
Okay.
Tesla got me out. Let's see what it does at 235. Ay, ay, ay.
Spy going through.
Yeah, Spy today is very special.
Is on crack.
Come on, go for it. Go above again. Go higher, my guy. Go higher.
PLTR?
Tesla. I retook it there, but see if I'm gonna be wrong one more time. So I say the patient that is needed today is amazing. Now shorts are in play, even Nvidia. Like unless SPY do another nasty push, but I doubt it because like to me it looks like if a bunch of sellers are starting to jump on it. So it's nice to be able to observe that price action and just say like, that's how it's looking like. So. But yeah, today definitely haven't been easy. So
No. I totally agree with him.
in my case, it's my bad because I was able to take partial and I decided not to. But I have to say I wasn't clear about it neither. Tum, 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 tum. You're home.
Like we're talking, what, 6 weeks now
For the call?
for your cough?
About.
Guess what time it is?
Wrap it up. So today it was not a horrible day. Like I am red, but by a little bit. Like I mean, I was green and I gave all my profit away, and as I say, red by a little bit. So no concern about that. I think I'm gonna be green by the end of the day. Like we keep trading after the show for a little bit longer, and sometimes I hold position for the day. Though I say today is not the best day to hold any position due to the Fed talking at 2. But if I walk you through my trades and like let's say if took first, I think it was PLTR if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was first PLTR. So I went long PLTR here, partial, all out. Then I think here what I did here looks like a long. Let's see the 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't have it there. So that looks like probably another long short. I don't know, but that was a trade where I broke even. Then I short, took a loss. Okay, no, yeah. Short, partial, add to the short. Yeah, that's it. So long, out, short, partial. Then I add right away. And then I add more here, and then I got out here with a little loss. I didn't add here. I got out with a loss here. Then I shorted again, partial, add to the short, all out. No. Okay. Add, all out. Short, all out. And now I am willing to short it, but I need to wait a bit, because the index is doing something funny. So I also trade Hood, I think. It didn't work, yeah. What did I do? Yeah, okay, so I short Hood here, got out here. Didn't work, that one. So then I took Tesla. This is, in Tesla was a very conservative position because like, I want to hold for longer. It's kind of what I'm doing there on top. But as I say previously, we have to price in a wider stop loss in Tesla, but Tesla may go higher. Let's see what it wants to do for real. So I shorted here, add to the short, got all out, and then I shorted again. I'm probably gonna get all out again, but we're gonna see. A little bit later, like SPY is really doing that crazy move. So we're gonna wait a bit, and yeah, like Tesla wants to go probably 136. So if we go 136 and move too much after that, I'm probably gonna be out one more time. But yeah, let's watch it go. So yeah, as I say, like I was green with PLTR. Like PLTR put me green, like I was green decent. But then I gave everything away, shorting all the things and taking those trades. So not by a lot, but as I say, I'm gonna be a little bit more proactive. I think I'm a little bit too sleepy today, but we're gonna see. So Marie, what about you?
Okay. So, in my case, okay, I just need to pay attention because I went and shorted PLTR, and it is the strongest stock, but I do believe it's going to short. It's going to reverse right there, but hey, look at what SPY has been doing. I only traded NVIDIA until it got into a range. So, like you, I did not take partials enough today. So, and I was able to I had a good trade on NVIDIA long. I was able to switch to flip. But I went in hood with the tight stop loss. I don't want to leave this, so I don't want to.
Yeah, it's good. I know you're heavy on PLTR.
Yeah,
now.
I'm heavy on PLTR. A little, probably too heavy. But I do believe that level is a good level to be able to go with short. But right now, it's consolidating a little bit and making me nervous.
Yeah. I think you got a good trade there. I don't know what is your average price right now, but
85.70.
yeah, your price is not the best because it doesn't give you much elasticity with your size, but I still think it's very good. So cool. I hope that short managed print for you. Yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. We're gonna be here tomorrow. So I hope everybody have a good day. You finish your statement, right?
Yes.
So,
Oh, you're funny.
don't pay attention
Okay, so
to me.
SPY is pulling back a little bit there, so
Yeah.
feeling a little bit more comfortable, but we'll see.
Yeah, like this is a type of lower low, but still fighting that trend. Like trying to hold that trend. So Tesla
Incredible.
have me a little bit nervous, but I have to be aware that Tesla is. That's why I price in $1.50 or even more sometimes. So, but yeah, so that like SPY looking very nice, looking very long overall, and is it gonna recuperate that trend? Well, probably yes. Let's see. So I hope everybody have a good day. Today was a okay day. Like I won't complain about my loss. There is no reason to complain about that. And just to be more dynamic and really take those partial when they show up. So that's gonna be everything for today. I hope everybody have a good day, and we're gonna be here tomorrow 9 a.m. So bye.
Bye.